Hello kids. Hi. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Now, today I'll teach you in English class. We continue our English class with what? Pronoun. But we begin our class with a small prayer. Okay? So, do you remember that song? God's love? We sing that song together, prayer song, okay? God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, oh wonderful Lord, so high, you can't get over it, so deep, you can't get under it, so wide. You can't get round it, oh wonderful Lord. God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love. It's so wonderful, God's love. It's so wonderful, oh wonderful Lord. So high. You can't get over it, so deep. You can't get under it, so wide. You can't get round it, oh wonderful Lord. Our God is great God. Our God is wonderful God. Now let's begin our. Do you remember the previous topic? Noun. Yes, we are continue. We are talking about noun today also and continue our topic. So, do you remember what is a pronoun? We'll continue our topic with pronoun. Pronoun take the place of noun. Pronoun take the place of noun. Yes. So, today first, I'll just recap the previous one, then start new again. Okay? So, pronoun. Pronoun. Okay? So, pronoun. How many pronouns we have done? Singular pronouns are, you know na singular pronouns? Singular pronouns are I, he, she, and it. We have already done I, he, she and it. Once again, we just recap. Quickly recap. So, we have already done I, he, she and it. So, I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. Now, two pronouns are left. Now, plural pronoun. Singular we have done. Now, today we will learn plural pronoun. These are plural. Plural means more than one. More than one means plural. एक से ज़्यादा. Okay. So, today we will learn about we and they. Okay. Now you understand about I, he, she and it na? Now we'll continue this. Today we're gonna learn about plural pronoun we and they. First of all, I'll just teach you where we have to use they. We have to use they. They is used They is used to tell about more than one naming words. It's they is tell about more than one naming word. More than one naming word, not one. More than one. I told you before also there is a plural pronoun more than one. Plural means more than one. So they is used. They is used to tell you tell you about more than one naming words. What I have written here, they is a plural pronoun, plural. So they is used tell you about more than one naming word. No need to write down this, just listen. They is used to tell you about more than one naming word. जहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा नाम यूज हो रहे हैं वहाँ we have to use they there. Okay, we have to use they there. Where we have to use they? More than one naming word. Okay, more than one naming word. Suppose now some examples I'll give you. Example. They are my friends. Friends. They is what? Pronoun. And friends. S is here. That means more. I am talking about more than one friend. Okay. So they are my friend. Another example, suppose Riya and Jyoti. Riya and Jyoti are my classmates. Okay, Riya and Jyoti. Two names are here. How many names are here? Two names. Riya and Jyoti. Riya is your friend and Jyoti is also your friend. So that means they both are your friend. So how can, which pronoun we have to use here? Because here is two naming word. One is Riya and another is Jyoti. Two nouns are here, na? Riya and Jyoti. So which pronoun we have to use where more than one naming word? We have to use they there. They. They are my. They are my classmates. They are my classmates. Riya and Jyoti are my classmates. Okay, now we'll do some more example. We'll do some more examples. Okay, related to they. First, I have made flower for every pronoun now, so I'll just make flower for they also. They. So you easily know about they, where you have to use they. Mom and dad. Mom and dad. Mom and dad. They are two person, no? So we use they with mom and dad also. Okay. Then we use with students. Where we use They, we use they with students also. And we use they with children also. Children. Child means one. Children is more than one. बहुत सारे बच्चे. So we use they with children also. And we use they with players also. Players means खिलाड़ी. So because players are not one, players are always in a group. Okay, so we use they with players also. And we use they with my friends also. Friends, where we use they with students also, with children also, players also, mom and dad also, brothers and sister also. We can use they with brother and sister also. Brother and sister. We use with them they. We use they with both of brother and sister. We use they with students. We use they with children. We use they with players, friends, mom and dad. And we use they with cat and dog. They are two animals, na? Cat and dog are two animals, more than one animal, na? So we use with them also what? They. We can use they with persons also and things also, animal also. Where we use they, we use with person, animals and things also. Okay, and more than one things. Okay, more than one animal, more than one person and more than one things. And like cup and glass and animals also we use with animals also. Okay, now next, I hope you understood well about they. They is used with animals also. They are animals. They are animals. All they are animals. Okay. Now we learn about we. We is used for two or more naming words of persons. Here also we is also two or more naming words but of persons only. That means we use we with only persons, not with animals, not with things. Only we use we with persons, more than two or more than two. Okay, suppose I and Edina, I and she, we are good friends. I and she, we are good friends. Okay, now go. So what you have watch here, what we always include I, always I. When there is a I and with I some more persons or one person, that time you have to use we. Okay, जहाँ पर आप हो वहीं पर we आएगा. I मतलब जहाँ आप present हो, जहाँ आप हो वहाँ पे आपको we use करना है. Okay, now some examples. We use what I told you. We have to always use we when I is included. That means if you are included with something, that means not something, some person, that means we. Okay, suppose I and my friend, we. I and my teacher, we. I and my parents, we. I and my brother and sister, we. I and my uncle, we. Okay, So now I'll give you some example related to we. Now some example related to we. I am a girl. I am a girl. Edina is a girl. Ria is a girl. I am a girl. Edina is a girl. Ria is a girl. I, Edina and Ria. That means you are a girl and Edina is a girl, Ria is a girl. That means you have to write here, we are girls. We are girls. Okay, because I is here na, you are including with Edina and Ria. So you are include here, I is include here. So what we use? Which pronoun we use? We. We are girls. Okay. So now next example. Second example. I am a student. I am a student. Arav is a student. And Priya is a student. Okay. I am a student. Arav is a student. Priya is a student. So, which pronoun we have to use here instead of I, Arav and Priya? We use here we. We are students. We are students. Okay. So, which pronoun we have to use here instead of I, Arav, Priya? These Arav, Priya are noun. So, I is included with Arav and Priya. So, which pronoun we have to use? We. We are students. Okay. Now, next. Just keep in mind, we always include I. We always include I. That you have noticed when I am using we, so always including I with them. Okay. Now, suppose one more example. Nisha and I walk together. Walk to school together. Walk to school together. Nisha and I. Who? You are there and who is with you? Nisha and I. Nisha and I walk to school together. Walk to school together. So which pronoun I have to use for Nisha and I? I use which pronoun? We. Which pronoun? We. We walk to school together. We walk to school together. Okay, fine. So in above sentence, what you have, notice I is here. Okay, so that means we always include I. Okay, I hope you understand about the singular pronoun very well and plural pronoun we and they very well. And today I'll teach you about one little song related to pronoun. Okay, so are you ready to learn that song? Start the song. Are you ready? Okay. He for boy, he. He for boy, he. She for girl, she. She for girl, she. I for me, I for me. I for me. I for me. I. We are friends, we. We are friends, we. Me and you, me and you. We. Me and you, we. They are there, they. They are there, they. We are here, we. We are here, we. We are good friends. We are good friends. We. They. We. All good friends. All good friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.